Lights are flashing, hearts are crashing. Caught up in this night, yeah, I try to make it right. Girl, I try with all my might.
I'm hoping to connect with the type of people that are welcoming, people that are ready to teach me, to correct me where I'm wrong, people that are ready to support me in this music journey. However, I know that I'm going to meet a lot of different people, different personalities. I would need financial support to perfect our performances to a world-class standard at least.
Just tell me now, should I move on? I've tried. Should I move on? Should I move on? Reclaim the time, sleep with love. Wishing I could tell with things once broken. Tell me honestly, am I still the one? Everything I'm sharing, wishing you.
So what we are aiming to do with this project is for us to grow as a community, to continue on our own when we'll be able to start our own businesses or live alone with the monies that we've made off of it.
Everything feels alright. I see you standing there across the floor against the toast. I see you standing there across the floor. No need for words. Your heart connects to mine. Forget about the words. We gonna leave it off behind. Your body invites me to touch you and tease you. I want you to surrender that body. You know what you want.
My career is basically to impact as many lives as I can through art and dance in general. What we're basically trying to achieve is to be sustainable in art coming from a third world country, because usually we face a lot of challenges with just our personal upkeep. We're still willing to grow, yes, but at the same time we should be able to stay afloat just by ourselves.